only signed on this morning just to do some software authorization, and I took one small trade. Then I had to get on the road right away, had a long drive. I took this screenshot. We had some nice imbalance signals to the downside on the NINZA Renkos right after the market opened. Got a nice little move down there. So right here in the first candle of the New York Open, 931, even though we had some red on red action with the candle, we had some negative delta coming in on the NQ. This washout signal appeared very early on in the candle when we were up here in the upper 70s. So even though price was pushing down pretty heavy, I did not get in on the selling because of the washout signal. And then this candle actually ended up closing with a big bottom wick, took off to the upside a little bit. The ES delta was not coming in at all this morning, so I don't know if there's a data connection issue for the ES on one of the prop firms or what was going on. But I took my one trade and closed the laptop and hopped in the car, and 11 hours later made it back home. I've got some playback data loaded. I was going to do a little practice trading, see what I missed this morning. This is still the master flow chart template setup, the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 60 minute. Then I added in a NINZA Renko 55/21 chart. I showed the settings that I'm using on this chart in yesterday's video. So here's that first candle of the New York Open. This washout signal appeared almost right when the bar opened. So even as all this delta's coming in, dropping, got the washout signal. I did not hop into a short there. We got a imbalance signal to the upside on this Renko bar back here too as we were coming down. Coming up to the 20 SMA on the 60 minute and the 50 area. And you see that candle closes with the big bottom wick. We start getting the delta coming in on the NQ and the ES. Double Heikin-Ashi turns bullish. Get a little pop up to London Open. Got an imbalance signal coming in on the Renkos there. Some negative delta on the ES. The delta for the ES loaded in playback mode. I don't know what happened this morning. So a mixed bag. We have strong positive delta on the NQ, but we've got bearish delta on the ES. Pulling up to value area high on the volume profile. Balance signal to the downside on the 1 minute and the NINZA Renko there. 2 seconds till this candle closes. Big top wick. Point of control up into the wick. Just a quick 10 points. We went red on the double Heikin-Ashi. Delta's continuing to drop off there. Here at 9:38, came down to these 50% wicks levels. Got a double 50% wick level right there. Came right down into that zone, got some double divergence. Started getting positive imbalance percentage, positive delta on the NQ. Look back here in the Renkos. This previous bar we had a washout signal from the polarity. Then we got an imbalance signal to the upside with a bunch of positive delta on this Renko, as well as 83% positive imbalances. The flow stack candles went green. We got a really nice bounce up off of this 50% wicks level. I've just added the 50% wicks to the 50/50 indicator, but I have not uploaded the new version yet. I will be uploading the new version at some point in the near future. I've been working on switching all of the indicators over to a new authorization system. Almost done with that process. So as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to release new versions of all of the indicators with the new authorization system, which will be much easier. It'll be tied to your NinjaTrader user ID instead of the machine ID. So never again will you have to change the machine ID license. So look at all this delta coming in on the NINZA Renko there. Imbalance signal to the downside on both the 1 minute and the NINZA Renko. We're rejecting off of VWAP right here. There's another 10 points. So I'm pretty beat after driving all day. Just going to end the video there, but I wanted to give a quick little update, show some more trades that are possible with the master flow chart template setup and what it looks like using it on a NINZA Renko chart as well as the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 60 minute. There are links to all of the MMT indicators in the description. Apex just came back with their 90% off sale. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the absolute best. Thanks so much for your support. Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and TradeDay all have great deals as well. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.